If you're a parent or caregiver, you probably feel pulled in a million directions. You want your child to learn and grow. You want quality time together. But there are also meals to cook, chores to do, and schedules to juggle. Our research shows that many caregivers feel they don't have the time to engage in purposeful play with their children, and they're uncertain about how to join their child's play in a meaningful way. In our last video, we talked about the power of guided play for children's learning. That's when parents join in the play to help guide their child's learning. And the good news is, guided play doesn't need extra hours in your day. You can weave it into things you're already doing. For example, while doing chores like cleaning up, turn it into a shape hunt and ask, can you pick up all the square-shaped toys? While you're making dinner, invite them to help measure ingredients, learn about fractions or quantity, or let it be a sensory experience exploring textures and smells. At the grocery store, you might ask, which is more, 3 apples or 5? Or ask, what ingredients do we need if we're making mac and cheese for lunch? And let them practice checking items off a list as you find them. Beyond chores, you can also share your own interests, gardening, music, fixing things, and talk out loud about what you're doing. When you bring kids into the life you're already living, they have fun, they learn, and you can stay on top of your to-dos.